guys, and welcome to DIY Hair School. And today we are going to do a quick, low, sleek bun style that I love that doesn't take long at all. It does require you to know a basic 3-strand braid, but it looks so cute. It looks like you put in a ton of effort, but it's really quick, so let's do it. So starting off, I like to keep some of my hair down around my face. That's totally your call. You don't have to do that. You can do it with the side part. You can do it all the way back. You can do it with the center part slicked, but I do like a couple hairs around my face. Symptom of being a millennial, I need those emotional support hairs. So I am going to take out just a little bit of my sort of grown out curtain bang area. And once I am happy with the hair that is out, that looks pretty good, then we're going to move on to the back. I am going to leave my part, so I'm going to brush everything back into a low ponytail. And then we're going to come around to the back. So from the back, we are going to just create a basic 3-strand braid. So just make that braid. You don't want the braid too tight because you don't have a lot of hair. The looser the braid, the bigger it's going to look. So just get that braid in. And tie off the end once you can't braid it anymore. Use a clear elastic if you're worried about seeing the hair tie, but you really shouldn't see the hair tie when this is all done, so it really shouldn't matter what color it is. And then I like to pull the braid apart a little bit, just so it's a little bigger, because if I do a tight braid, my braid is so small looking. And then I'm also going to grab a couple bobby pins like this. Now we're going to take our braid and we are going to fold it on itself so the tail is inside and roll it up, just like that, making sure that tail's tucked in. I'm gonna pin the top here to my head so it's secured, and then we're gonna pull to the sides. Oops, don't wanna pull the tail out. Be careful that you're pulling the top section and not the section you tucked underneath. And then we're just going to pin those sides. And there you have your cute little bun. So here's from the front. I let mine be a little bit more soft. I like a softer look. I don't typically like a really sleek, slicked back look, but if you do, you can add some product to keep all those baby hairs back, keep it all smooth and sleek. But that's the front, that's the back. It's a super cute, fast way to do your hair for work, or if you're running out the door for a last minute event and you don't have time to do much, but it looks really pretty. It is pretty easy to do. If you have trouble with your hair slipping out and being difficult to work with, I would suggest adding some dry texture powder or some dry texture spray to your hair beforehand. It will make your hair a lot more grippy and easy to work with, but that is totally personal preference. If you want that look to be a little bit more secure, if you have a hard time working with your hair, that's something that you can do. And like I said, you can also play around with how slick you want to look like this, or if you want to allow it to kind of fall out and be a little more soft. It's totally up for you. Whatever you like is what's best for you. I hope that helps. I hope you guys enjoyed today's hairstyle. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. I do post 3 every single week here on YouTube. And leave me some comments below of what you guys would like to see, because I want to make whatever you guys want to watch. See you later, guys. Bye.